Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to change your avatar on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to match your mood or just freshen things up, it's super easy. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to customize your profile. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your user settings. Now, you'll want to tap on Edit Profile. This option allows you to change various details about your profile, including your avatar. Once you're in the Edit Profile menu, tap on your current profile picture. This action will prompt you to change your avatar. Here comes the exciting part. Tap on Change Avatar. Now, you can start selecting a new image. You'll be directed to your gallery. Browse through your pictures and choose one that you'd like to use as your new Discord avatar. Once you've found the perfect picture, just tap the check icon at the top right corner. Finally, to make sure your new avatar is saved, tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your Discord avatar has been successfully updated. All done. Now you're ready to show off your new look to your friends on Discord. Remember, changing your avatar is a great way to express yourself, so feel free to switch things up whenever you like. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.